2 2009 Ski-Doo 600 HO E-Tech 50-year anniversary editions, both brand new. One's from DeSilva Motorsports, the other's from Richardson, Wyndham, Maine. It's got this one has 800 miles on it, and the other one has 0.2, so anniversary edition number 888. And anniversary edition number 736. 0.2 miles on it.